Hello everyone. In the last class we have studied topic from chapter 1, that is concept of zero and numbers 1 to 9. Now we'll study another topic, that is bigger or smaller. Here we can see Papa elephant is bigger than mummy elephant and mummy elephant is bigger than baby elephant. Now baby bear is smaller than mummy bear. Mummy bear is smaller than Papa bear. A number that is closer to 0 is the smaller number. Now look at the pictures and write bigger or smaller. Mummy cow is dashed than the calf. Mummy cow is bigger than the calf. The cub is dashed than Papa lion. The cub is smaller than Papa lion. Papa deer is dashed than the fawn. Papa deer is bigger than the fawn. Now let us move on to another question, that is circle the smaller number. First 6, 3. Among 6 and 3, which is the smaller number? 3. So 3 is the smaller number. Second 9, 5. Which is the smaller number? 5. 5 is the smaller number, so we'll circle 5. Third 5, 3. Which is the smaller number? 5 or 3? 3. So we will circle 3 because 3 is the smaller number. 1, 2. 1 is the smaller number, so we will circle 1. Fifth 3, 2. 2 is the smaller number, so we will circle 2. Now moving on to another question, circle the bigger number. First 9, 3. Which is the bigger number? 9, so we will circle 9. Second 2, 7. Which is the bigger number? 7, so we will circle 7. Third 5, 8. Which is the bigger number? 8, so we will circle 8. Fourth 7, 9. Which is the bigger number? 9, so we will circle 9. Fifth 6, 7. 7 is the bigger number, so we will circle 7 as it is the bigger number. Now moving on to another topic, more or less. 3 is less than 4. 3 is more than 1. More or less than is also written as greater or less than. It is shown as greater than or less than symbol. For example, 3 is more than 2 is written as 3 is greater than 2. 4 is less than 7 is written as 4 is less than 7. Put the correct sign greater than or less than. 3, 2. Which number is greater? 3. So we'll put this symbol, greater than symbol. So 3 will be greater than 2. 1 is smaller than 4. So we'll write or we'll put the symbol of less than. So 1 is smaller than or less than 4. Moving on to another topic, equal. Look at these two examples. 3 is equal to 3. If we keep 3 chocolates and this side also 3 chocolates, they both will be equal. 5 is not equal to 4. 5 is not equal to 4. When two groups have the same number of things, we say they are equal. Otherwise, they are not equal. Put the correct sign. Greater than, smaller than, or equals to. 3-5. 3 is smaller than 5, so we'll put the symbol less than 5. So 3 will be less than 5. 6 is dash 3. 6 is greater than 3. So we'll put the symbol of greater than. Now 1 is dash 1. 1 is equals to 1.